62 new motorcycle gadgets on Amazon. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am thrilled to dive into 62 new motorcycle gadgets on Amazon that every rider needs to see. Whether you're looking to upgrade your gear or find the perfect gift for a fellow enthusiast, I've got you covered with some truly amazing finds. Let's rev up and get right into the list.
Product number 1. Unique motorcycle beer gifts for men, vintage motorcycle bottle opener. When you are off the road and ready to relax, this vintage motorcycle bottle opener is exactly what you need in your hand. I find that most bottle openers are just boring pieces of metal, but this one brings the spirit of the open road right into your home or garage. Crafted with a stunning classic motorcycle design, it serves as a fantastic conversation starter at any gathering or barbecue. The heavy-duty zinc alloy construction ensures it feels solid and durable, meaning it will crack open your favorite beverages for years to come. I really appreciate how the ergonomic shape fits perfectly in the palm, making it effortless to use. If you are struggling to find a unique present for a dad, husband, or grandfather who loves to ride, this hits the mark perfectly.
Product number 2. Motorcycle Bike Mechanic Repair Toolkit with 16-in-1 multifunction Allen key multi-hex wrench screwdriver for home, outdoor, travel, camping, sport, bicycle, cycling. There is nothing worse than being stranded on the side of a trail with a loose bolt and no tools in sight. That is exactly why I always carry this 16-in-1 multifunction mechanic repair kit in my saddlebag. This compact little lifesaver packs an incredible amount of utility into a folding design that is barely larger than a pocket knife. I am genuinely impressed with the solid carbon steel construction, which handles serious torque without stripping or bending. It includes everything from socket hex wrenches to slotted and Phillips screwdrivers, covering almost any minor adjustment your bike might need on the go. I have used it to tighten mirrors, adjust brake levers, and even fix a wobbly license plate mount while miles away from my garage. Product number 3. Nax Khaki 3D Motorcycle Ice Cube Tray. Large silicone fun shapes ice cube mold for whiskey, cocktails, bourbon, motorcycle gifts for men, holiday stocking stuffers. Now here is something that adds a really fun twist to your post-ride downtime. This large silicone ice cube mold shapes your ice into incredibly detailed motorcycles, elevating any glass of whiskey, bourbon, or cocktail. I love how the flexible silicone material makes it incredibly easy to pop the ice out without breaking the delicate wheel or handlebar shapes. These are not just small cubes either. They are large and melt slowly, ensuring my favorite drinks stay perfectly chilled without getting watered down quickly. The level of detail on the engine block and tires is surprisingly crisp for an ice mold. I have served drinks with these at parties, and they instantly grab everyone's attention and spark great conversations.
Product number 4. Motorcycle Brake Bottle Opener. Unique beer opener for motorcycle and dirt bike riders. Best gifts for men, opener for bike lovers, beer bottle opener for Christmas, parties, and bar use. Next up is an absolute must-have for anyone who appreciates the mechanical beauty of bike components. This bottle opener is ingeniously designed to look exactly like a motorcycle brake lever, complete with realistic texturing and pivot points. The moment I held it, I noticed how the weight and balance feels surprisingly similar to pulling an actual brake lever on a dirt bike. It is cast from durable metal, giving it a premium, heavy-duty feel that handles stubborn bottle caps with absolute ease. I love the industrial aesthetic it brings to a home bar, garage, or man cave. It is the kind of novelty item that does not sacrifice functionality for style. I have found it incredibly satisfying to use, and it always gets a good laugh and nod of approval from my riding buddies. Product number 5. Motorcycle Beer Gifts for Men. Vintage motorcycle bottle opener with wrapping paper for bar party. Unique Father's Day, birthday, Christmas gift for him, dad, grandpa, husband, boyfriend. Wrapping up the list is another fantastic vintage-inspired opener, but this one comes completely ready for gifting. What I really love about this specific option is the thoughtful inclusion of themed wrapping paper, which saves me a trip to the store when I need a quick but meaningful present.
The opener itself boasts a beautifully detailed classic cruiser design with an antique finish that gives it a rugged, timeless appeal. It is sturdy enough to tackle any bottle cap while being compact enough to slip comfortably into a pocket or a kitchen drawer. I find the craftsmanship to be excellent, with no sharp edges and a very comfortable grip. Whether it is for a birthday, Father's Day, or a holiday party, it takes the stress out of finding a good gift for a hard-to-shop-for guy. Thank you so much for hanging out and exploring these awesome gadgets with me today. I hope you found the perfect new addition for your garage or a great gift for the rider in your life. Stay safe out there on the roads, and I will see you in the next one.